Hello everyone, welcome to my honest pitch. For those that don't know, my objective was to predict the price of Yu-Gi-Oh cards using NLP techniques. Uh, my belief was that by engaging with the intricacies of a dataset or corpus and making the appropriate modifications, you could feed this into a machine learning model, and that model would not only be able to predict the price of cards accurately, but also make forecasts on cards that are more under the radar. So what is Yu-Gi-Oh? Essentially, it's a trading card game that where cards interact with each other with text that's written on them. So you can see in early 2005, your typical turn one play would be to set one card, summon a monster, pass on that. So that's a +0 turn. If we fast forward 20 years, you can see that the power level of the game has risen dramatically, and this is just something that's done to prevent the game from going stale. You can see here that with just two cards, the player is able to just generate +4 advantage. That's 6 cards on the board, and these cards can do things like interrupt the opponent or gain back resources after some kind of interaction. So how do people know that these cards will become good or these cards have this sort of power? Well, if you read the card, the things that players would tend to look for are cards that summon things onto the field, get things into your hand, bring things from another location to another, all those kinds of things. And if those are patterns that a human is trying to see, it's not far-fetched that a machine can also learn these kind of patterns and implement this in some kind of regression task.